Hello and welcome back to the Old Soul Millennial channel. Cleaning gutters is one of those necessary home maintenance tasks that we all dread. And let's face it, it's kind of dangerous, right? Especially if you're going up on a ladder, or even worse, if you're climbing up and hanging off the edge of the roof trying to scoop out the gutters. It can be a very dangerous, time-consuming, and daunting task. But what if I told you there was a safer way, a better way, a way in which you could clean the gutters safely from the ground? Well, in fact there is. And in today's video I would like to show you my contraption that I came up with that attaches to my backpack blower that allows me to quickly, efficiently, and effectively clean the gutters safely from the ground. Now, 3 quick disclaimers. You are going to need some type of leaf blower. You could have a backpack blower, a corded blower, or a battery-operated blower. Second disclaimer is that this method will only work for first floor gutters. It won't work for second or third floor gutters. Now, you could adapt this to work on the second or third floor, but as you add sections of pipe, it becomes very heavy, floppy, and cumbersome. So really, this will only work for first floor gutters. And the third thing I'd like to mention is that my gutters do have gutter guards, but even with the gutter guards, there's a little lip where a lot of seeds and leaves and debris collect, so that's why it's still necessary in my case. So without further ado, let's talk about my contraption. So here it is. What it really is, it's a 10-foot section of 1.5" PVC with an elbow and a 2-inch adapter on the other end, so it fits tightly into the blower. Now the reason I went with the 1.5" PVC is because it's lighter than 2-inch, right? Like if I used a 2-inch piece, it would fit right into that blower, but it would be a lot heavier. So by using 1.5", I've allowed this to get the airflow I need while keeping it as light as possible. Now at the end of this 10-foot piece of pipe, I have an elbow, and this works well for me. Now if you don't have gutter guards, what you can do, you can add 2 elbows or maybe 3 elbows or a 45. You can get creative and you can design this so that when you lift this up to the gutters, that the elbows direct the airflow down into the gutter channel and really blow all the debris out of there. So now without further ado, let me go set up the drone. I'll get this set up and you can see how it actually works. In conclusion, I would say this is a very safe, quick, and effective way to remove debris and leaves out of the gutter channel. But this unit does have its limitations. It struggles to blow debris off the roof that's a few feet higher than where the gutter sits. Additionally, you saw that I struggled to get some of the sticks off the roof, and there's a few more in one of the valleys that I will have to go up there with a ladder and rake those off the roof, or just find some way to get those sticks off. But at the end of the day, this does an excellent job at removing debris from inside the gutter. And that's really what its intended purpose is. And once you get good at this thing, I mean, you can do your whole house in a matter of maybe 10 minutes, which traditional means if you climbed up there with a ladder, I mean, you guys know that could be an hour, 2-hour job, depending on how thorough you want to get. Now, again, if you don't have the gutter guards, get creative with the elbows. You know, one elbow, add a second elbow, and that second elbow, you can direct that so it's down into the gutter channel, perhaps blowing the debris up and out towards you. You may get a little bit dirty. Make sure you wear some safety glasses and some work clothes. But that's about all I have to say on my contraption here, so thanks for watching. As always, I will catch you on the next one.